Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of registering for a US bank account. Whether you are a US resident or a non-resident, this process is simple and will allow you to manage your finances with ease. Let's get started. Choose the right bank. The first step is to choose the bank that offers the services you need. Some of the most popular banks in the US include Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase. Research what each bank offers in terms of fees, interest rates, and account options. You may also want to consider online-only banks like Ally or Chime for lower fees. Gather your documents. Banks in the US require several documents to open an account. These typically include proof of identity, e.g. passport, US driver's license; proof of address, e.g. utility bill, lease agreement. If you're a non-resident, you may need to provide an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. Complete the application. You can apply for a bank account online or in person at a branch. The bank will ask you to fill out your personal details, such as name, address, social security number, SSN or ITIN, and employment status. Make your initial deposit. Most banks require an initial deposit to activate your account. The minimum deposit varies by bank, but it typically ranges from $25 to $100. Activate your account. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your debit card and account details. Follow the instructions provided to activate your account, and you're all set to manage your finances online or in person. Now that your US bank account is ready, you can start making transactions, paying bills, and saving money. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more banking and financial advice.